Hi guys, Tiana Michelle here, and I am back with another cleaning video. I know I've been gone for a while, but I'm feeling much better after my abdominal surgery. So I'm here giving you a clean with me video, get it all done of my bedroom and my bathroom. As you can see, there is a lot to be done here. So we're going to get it all done in this video. And guys, please don't judge me. I know it's been a long time and this room is a mess. But like I said, we're going to get this all cleaned up. First, I'm going to start off by cleaning off my dresser. Now, this dresser is like a little storage area for everything. Or clearly, the entire bedroom is like a storage area, but the dresser gets a lot of action. So we're going to get this all cleaned up first, and then we're going to move on to my desk area. If you are new to my channel, I'd like to introduce myself. My name is Tiana. I am a wife and a mom of 3 kids, in which one of my kids is medically complex. I like to post organization, DIY, and cleaning motivation videos. If you like this content, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. And I also have a new vlogging channel that I just started called T Michelle TV. If you like vlogging style videos, please check that content out as well. And stay tuned for more cleaning motivation in this video. Currently, I am working from home, so this is where I do my work. I also edit videos here on my personal laptop, and I also do my crafting here. As you can see, I have my Cricut on the storage area next to me. So there's a lot going on in this area, but no worries, you're going to get it all cleaned up. cleaning video, I showed you guys my plants. Well, I killed them all. This one might be revivable, but the rest I did. So now I gotta buy some new ones. But yeah, hubby was pretty upset that I let them die, so I gotta buy new ones. So right now I'm cleaning my shower and my bedroom, and I realized this is my first time actually cleaning my bathroom on camera, and that's because it's kind of hard to record in this small space, and it's kind of awkward like filming because basically you'll just see my backside the entire time. But this time I decided to put the camera in the shower, and it actually worked out. So right now I am cleaning the entryway to the shower, which is kind of difficult to do, but I went in with some vinegar and water and cleaned that space out. And then in the actual shower area, I'm going to be using the pink stuff and Comet cleaner.
Oh, you touching.